I had a really good day yesterday. Not only did I score a perfect 15 out of 15 on the Green Acres theme song quiz, but I got 20 subscribers on YouTube. There are influencers and micro-influencers, so I guess that would make me an I reached out to YouTube and shocker, there is no award for 20 subscribers, so I made my own. Cut a long piece of cardboard and fold it in half. I didn't feel like taking off my pajama bottoms and putting on real pants, so I just put on a shirt that matched, sort of. For the play button shape, trace a frozen hash brown and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Take a piece of tinfoil, the size you would use to wrap a single hash brown, then cut it in half and glue it down, shiny side up, creating a mirror effect. For contrast, glue the tinfoil shiny side down to the front, cutting out the hash brown shape. For the inner triangle of the play button, I found that a corn chip had the perfect proportions, so trace around that. I thought about covering it with tinfoil, but then I decided glitter would be better because glitter is better. Hot glue the two flaps together, then fold the excess tinfoil onto the back, add a dab of hot glue, and set your triangle in the middle, then send it to the engravers. Yeah, this is the final result. I mean, it looks really good. Do I regret wasting the aluminum foil? No. To everyone who subscribed, that means one of two things. You're a friend of my mom's, or you liked the Lucy Hale photo that I did on Instagram. But either way, thank you so much for helping me get to 20 subscribers. And let's do this again at 30.